How y'all doing tonight? Make some more noise for my motherfucking Scoot Hennessy.
Hell yeah!
My name is Master Cassette, also known as Jyler Tansen.
Wait, what? We ready?
This first track will be a test. Alright, this first track will be a test run. It's going to transfer this off with the Howl. So, it should work. I don't think it should not.
What?
What are you doing?
Concourse.
Yeah, play it.
From the ink in his pen, natural valors and with him intelligent leaders and passage of fault in my head. What did he say? He say it again. I hate politicians of pop in my head. I'm not here to stay here and just what he says. I'm back or better when half you dead. Never on the track, dash like a track beat. Actually more like a track. All I have these people who say anything and I can't rap, please. Take a big step back, you don't even know how I'm to blow. Pop the flow, stop the show. Hop in the crowd like Geronimo. And now you're all like dominoes. That's what the devils I'm making with riddles and riddles. You riddles are nothing to me. Come to me, so if you come, they trust me. You want I'm something to see. They notice me, they don't see nothing I'm joking. See, that's what's the matter. I'm just like I think I'm better. No joke. This is more than a piece of the way that I spoke. There were times over me. Walking towards most of position where he told me take on my penis if you want to breathe. See that I'm feeling a genius. I'm laughing at something. I'm mad at that thesis. I'm generally fucking my next one is greatness. I'm laughing this one because we definitely don't mean it. Open, you gotta be ready. We're flying my fans and you are and you're offending. The sentiment's deadly and trouble, but taking up many. There's plenty of drugs you can say to stay steady. You don't even know when I'm off or I'm messy. It's all this pathetic. Cassette is not messy. The best in the west, but I'm up in the east. Once they're setting the best in the country. Too cocky, don't see me. Trillions of dollars, a lot of hot ladies and Legos. I'm betting for me. I take it in this way. But for now, I'm just trying to get my weed. You must go back on the street. Don't get that from my dream. I'm able to keep you. It's up on the L. So you're ready to see what for cover. You blessed and don't give a free. Bitch, don't ever with me. How could you even your shoulders to be? Just some time with you. I'm sure that people who live people say with this ability. Take off your black holes and maybe my G's. You'll get what you never come back to the T. You get back at 6 years out of becoming what you wanna be. Don't call me Eve. Cause I'm thinking with you hoes. Don't tell your name. That's what someone is like on my phone. So here I go. And I'm going. Listen, my mission is getting these girls. Mission is mission. You never get let in. The lesson is fine. I do not know. I do not know.
Play it. Get up, Dave. You Dave! Dave! Oh, damn. For this next song, I need Davey fucking Dollars to come downstairs.
I'm about to get you. He left. He left? Are you fucking kidding me? Bro, what? I walked outside, I asked the people outside, you see him big blonde afro, they said he left.
Alright, fuck it, we skipping his verse.
I'm gonna cry.
Damn.
I'm gonna cry.
You look like now we gotta do a fuck Dave.
Bro.
Dang songs running faster than a
Yo, make some noise for my man's fucking foolish Jeffrey. He pulled up in the suit straight out of work.
In the first place, I can't chase a rank. So of course all the jerks think that I'm out of place. But I am, cause I'm running a little late. And I like to finish last cause they all shooting blanks. I've been great already, dipping with the best of everything. But I'm at work, getting dirty in the sink. For the jerks, that's the thanks in advance. Chances hell is the best place for them to get some rest. I stay fed up with the breadcrumbs and change I've been lending. So rude to my bread up, I never let them spend it. Never let them rock and root chopper, that's the rap one. Talking like a magic trick, while I like the bitches following perplexion. On the road, no stones, sticking to my arrival. Set the speed while I'm starting at the other
Alright, run it back, run it back, run it back.
There you go. Come on,
Yeah, he was grabbing the blunt, yo. Go, Dave, was you left.
Niggas, get the laptop. Niggas, get the laptop.
Get the laptop, get the laptop.
Shit on the laptop.
Alright, I need y'all to go crazy for this shit, for real, for real.
Alright, I'm ready.
Second, but.
Hey, yo, listen up.
Alright, we got this shit figured out.
off the verse in the first place. I can't
can't chase a rank. So of course all the jerks think that I'm out of place. Well, I am, cause I'm running a little late, and I like to finish last. The Wall Street bikes, they already dipping with the best of everything. But I'm at work, getting dirty in the sink. For the jerks, I said thanks in advance. Chances hell is the best place for them to get some rest. I stay fed up with the breadcrumbs and change I've been lending. So root to my bread up, I never let them spend it. Never let them rock and root chakra, that's the right one. Talking like a magic trick, round up like a bitches following perplexion. On the road, no stone sticking to my arrival. Set the speed while I'm styling like your idol flying up behind you. Just to tickle your spinal cord it down, move beside them with a trial like besides. Spiral cycle, stay silent when you're on me. Like through survival, just hoping that my time comes. Don't pray to the Bible, cause I know I'm the vital one. Tell you something, running faster than a fucking lightning bolt. I've been hot for so long, I feel I can't get lost. Tossing the water, it's all in the cost. Lost a lot over time, so I never miss a call. So I pick that shit up and tell them it's on.
I'm quick a missile in the middle of the beat. In the middle of this shit, how come I'm catching the heat? I confess, but I wanna admit I didn't never be. Nonetheless, the rest will fall beneath the crumbles on my feet. Sweet like a candy shop, snatching up the streets. This trick switch, I put a razor in the caramel creeps. Feed it to these MCs, make sure that they never speak. Cause the talking that I'm hearing really irritating me. Check my man's neck, I chopped it clean fresh. I'm on the edge, please push me or fall back into my head. Wake up in the morning, party with a girl I don't remember. 20 minutes later, gotta suck it on my pecker. Yes, so skate with me and get decked. Correct, more mess up than trade centers in September. Never, I'll practice till I don't even remember. But they all miss the point like the fingers dismember. Like through any style, sport, metal ventures. This really ain't no question, we some Jordans to you sketcher. Enter, this ain't a song, homie, this a lecture. Take a seat and listen while I teach you about these letters. I'm master the dasher, better yet, the funk inspector. The son of attention every time I crack a gesture. Team pressing my teeth, compression with the pressure. Like boom, take them out on the stretcher.
Buzz, that's the sound of the bees. When no stingers, just guns aiming at bloody knees. Trees equal fun, so it's pushing the key. You either run or get the runs while you crying, you plead the body. Like unity in the dome and the greedy and tyrant. Rule the nation in the minds of the media. I find it hard to say that you niggas ain't really see me. I'm a hand use some glasses so you perceive me. I'm a book and take a look, but you not worthy to read me. If me is worth nothing, my pride ain't worth stuff. These hoes ain't worth nothing. Who knows if I'm not combustion? Profession sweet like a muffin. I'd rather chill with my ruffians. Say what's up to youngins and there he go acting tough again. He's hoping, but I be smelling the zoo is nothing. And trouble comes when you got muzzle shrooms or something in snow. Papa always had the cops in the door. I remember mama said that I be smarter than most. I'm a frightened motherfucker, man, I'm hot like a roast. And I'm a cocky motherfucker, so expect me to boast. If I make it and get rich in this bitch, then we'll toast. Tell the world that I don't give a fuck about the most. I'm feeling getting close, top bottom prisoner dead. Reap what you sow, hear what I said. Leave you on lead and feel the vibe, fight for the tribe, see what you live. Know too many people who got led to the head. You could be next.
Yo, let's make some noise for Davey and Foolish Jeffrey. Fuck yeah, run that shit.
That's it.
Right? Yeah, you go.
Hey.
I've been looking around, buried again, I came out of the ground. Back in my bush and I'm grinding the music and making the work with over the sound. Spoken aloud, green in the tree, I'm breaking whoever be stepping to me. Mentally, physically, I'm better visibly, killing this shit, spitting rounds, so literally fuck. What can you do? Save up the bag like a heroin tube. Let us shoot your flow and flip the script, don't hit a bitch, I hit electric. When I quit shit, real then I get bitch. Sucker going out, talking all that shit. Sucker, you was something but a little prick. Go run fade and suck this dick. Kino, SB, talking this shit and you think I don't know about hunting in gear, then you know that the bow is out. Well, I retain when he's feeling the coke, I still understood in the grip, slow and smoke around. Yeah, motherfucker, when I run it, I got an account 1, 2, 3, then go back and flood, and I got 2 whole holes and I count my money. Oh fuck this shit, I only got 2 20s. Run to the bank and we're trying to fucking tell us, so I talk real nice. She said I'm a nice fella, but I think I got the bread, don't care about the head, only getting to the bag and she'd see I'm walking down like, oh, that loud shit. You rappers all on that clown shit. You rappers all on that running off your mouth, but you ain't really bout shit. Like, yo, really wanna fuck with me, really wanna go, cause I got that G. Half these rappers can't mess with me, cause I know I'm gonna blow like Waikiki. Like, yo, no one run this shit, never gonna catch me on this shit. Like Raiden when I let the thunder hit, flow so good like 100 Hey, never ever need no clip, changing to the flow, got the flow so sick. Hit it and I quit it and I run it when I spit it in the pin. Then I spit the competition when I win it, never sit it, motherfucker when I'm bidding. Hey, I just fucked up your whole vision of me. Yeah, I can see what you think of my dream. You know that I'm different, I'm not like these rappers that bash on my hit with them misogyny. Whoa, watch me run this track, kill this beat, you know that's fact. Talking about my parts, no rap like, yeah, watch me run this track, kill this beat, you that's facts. Talking down my bars, no rap. Talking down my bars, no rap.
Yo! Hey! 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 Hey!
Oh! Should I grab it from back here or should I do it?
No, you gotta come up on stage. Yo, I need y'all to make some noise for Domino. I need y'all to make some noise for Domino!
He's focused on rapping, focused on rapping.
If you go up these stairs, and then you go.
Beat up the beat, I be clean as a whistle. I'm taking off, blasting up just like
I'm missing like in the
a missile. I get there, I'm hype like an early dismissal. You rapper got drip on me, look at my jizzle. I'm glistening. Hey, meant to be listening. It's on the flip. This sound could be singing. Interested. Hey, get it right. Be like, fucking my way. Big T, that's the sound. Swing the hammer going harder than a show me in. Show me in. Oh shit, no, he did. You know what it is. Fucking so yeah. Okay. Feel this big bars in the back. Oh yeah. Listen to the GTA taxi. Okay. Gas them shitting on the track. Oh yeah. Riddle is what he's been fast shit. Give it to me raw. Listen to the rap sheet. You don't even get it, so I wonder why you ask me. Actually, I don't pay attention to the raspy. I'll play a hooky. I'm a feature in the Dead Sea. Deadly. Any of your careers indirectly. Trust me. You don't really wonder what gets heavy. Interact muffins under direct and friendly. No sir. Dissect. Chopping off the headpiece.
Cause I go ahead to cut that boy head off. I don't really something on that like a header. Got all doing shit you don't know how I get off. Oh, where did this come from? No. Fuck with me, used to be standing to check off your pages and achievements with flex. And I check off, I still like to help if you want to like check out. See how I feel when I pick up the flow. I be ass speaking and shit for show. This new work, cause it's all dope. Hear that chick, I'ma be on the go. Ha! You know what I'm saying when I pick off the flow. She know what I'm saying when I be on the phone. See new bands and these ones go. Ha! Rockin' the world like Bad Max. I had to fuck like it's back down. I had to grow in the sense I think. Let's take out a track, I smash it. Always around with a fag at. Double the tongue with a tag at. Walking the club with a hashtag. Walking the dog with a tag at. Walking the club like I'm making somehow. Miserable body, you children of me. You watching the light cause you don't have to drum. I'm walking the light and it's still like a key. Stuff on the left and the same fucking line on some miracle spiritual. Yeah, I'm movie. Sorry, I'm feeling the beat with these beats. Take a pull. I'm feeling the beat. My Lord!
That's what the fuck I'm talking about. Make some fucking noise for Domino. Y'all have no idea what's coming still. But for this next song, I'm gonna need Scoot Hennessy to come back up to the stage. Run that shit.
Scoot, Hennessy! Scoot, 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 scoot.
Cassette, Scoot, and
Y'all like to turn up at night? Y'all like to riot? Y'all like to go hard? It don't sound like it. Y'all like to go hard? Alright, fam, I need y'all to turn the fuck up for this. Flashback to the days where Reeboks on my feet, running late to school and able to make it across the street. I believe I got work to do, my raps are complete. Take a seat, I'm a teacher, lazy rappers have to speak. All you spit is mumbles and you never stay on beat. I can see how y'all struggle just to keep your flow from going under, man, no wonder run for me. Like a track, but I just shuffle ruffles in my teeth. I just spit, hitting sick tricks, kick flips, slip disc when hit the ground and split ribs. A trick sick when I step on my board, tricks miss. Need a ripstick on wish list for Christmas. Oh shit, it's so lit, we're spit bits in the house who round my town. This whole sound too sick. Oh my god, I cannot sit still. Waist moving around, I'm misfit. Radical and practical, mathematical, hands, fans, out, magical shit. Go radical, actual for my hits, rapping sample facts and math that they lack. You said he's written, ready, hold it steady, I'm aiming for all your heads. Plenty healthy MCs can wrangle that deadly grit. No shit, no cap, I'm blowing, no exploding with holding notions that most of you don't even know how to spit.
No dirty towels, mold and mildew, the smells real foul. Can't touch it, kiss you, the air is thick with it. Black and black with it, the dust is settled. The drugs are brittle, it's gone. Parent inside is the father inside. Civic can't hear the fight with the die. Wanted to prove the feeling to die. The thought that I knew, like you were one. Make no cry that they gave up the sun. The change of the body, the count is the done. I reach in the shadow, the shit that's around me. Environment, absorbing the stuff about house and I bow. The clapping, the clipping, the bow, bow down. A drip to distract from the heat to my rib. A meat sack, flat back, salt on the lips. Water is here and
Yo, make some more noise for Scoot Henderson. Before I go into this next song, I got a question for y'all. How many of y'all like to smoke weed?
Yeah!
That don't sound like that many. Come on, I know more of y'all smoke weed. How many of y'all like to smoke weed? Yeah, that's what I thought. Alright, I be getting the munchies all the time. I ain't got no food on me, and so I wrote this song about that. Play that shit.
Smoke weed every day.
Never tried.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Every single day.
It's good.
Yeah, come on.
I love Domino.
No, I love Domino.
My name is Cassette, and I'm stripping nuts. Boom, boom.
Cassette be like eternal, green when I'm smoking purple. Yeah, I'm coming through and throwing, hopping on the track like hurdles. The murderous intricate flow is ridiculous. It's hard, bro. I didn't know it made you go from one to get intimate. I'm just hitting shit, ripping this bunch of laps to get hit. This ain't none of this shit. Chris, they got some of the fun, and I'ma go cause you're ready. Said break your druthers when Eddie said I'ma turn the lights on. Now I'm looking like Eddie. For a motherfucker, if you want to drop this, pop this. First one, you triple be toxic. I've not said yeah. All of what will happen, but just listen to this rap, and I can promise you'll be strapped. Let me tell you right now, whole brains from a cheap bread. The end, motherfucking stories of a beanbag. That's the shit I defend. East End, wait, what? No, West of Philly by the river, we the best. It's been hella easy, we express this. I really gotta stress, it's kinda complicated when you mess with bars like these, and they coming from some fresh lips. It's so fucking crazy, we the best, bitch. Yeah, oh, it got me crazy like we trippy and comedy. The fucking truth is, I'm coming in like damn kamikaze. I'll light a head up like Ozzy, I'm spitting cleaner than Nazi. I'm on the beat and then celebrity Aussie, man. Whoa, 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 I'm just smoking and chilling. You ain't my sergeant anymore, bro, I'm a civilian. I'm smoking column civilian, I need a pizza Sicilian. I gotta go and hit up all the way right to the building. I make the cheeks clap hard like a standing ovation. I'm only smoking palm trees like I'm on a vacation. The daddy's got big titties, call the boobs animation. You know my drip go hard, looking like condensation. I got the metal, I'm with the CBT, drip on the curb. I'm off the LSD, it's what you heard. Your boss that keep me clean, I'm like a bird. I'm flying way too mean, cause I come through with this, ain't new to this. Star on me like Jewish kids, but Nora, bitch, I'm Nora, bitch. That backpack holds much more than this. Fuck!
Fuck off, fucking shit. Fucking fuck.
That man chewing on the beat just like it's Pac-Man. Smack cam, if a buddy coming with the backhand. Batman, pull up on the dark night. Batman, smoking on the key like I was Oscar in the trash can. That's a fact, man, I'm a whole ass cracker, but I still got rhymes I can spit out. Packing, gotta do shit big like I live in Tack and no attacker, but I'm packing my boys like a trap. I hate fuck.
Boys like a trap.
Hey.
This is Cassette.
Oh yeah!
Yeah, boy.
I need Screw Hennessy to come on back.
Oh shit, that's you.
This is some unreleased shit.
Oh.
And I need to know when y'all want this to come out, because this is like ready to go.
Anxiety been roaming, running laps around my brain cells. Conscience weighing on me, I ignore it if it pays well. Every morning waking up, always with the same smell. Lots of things to think about, I guess that's where the pain dwells. Can't waste bills, but I'm taking the same L's. Picking out my pocket for $1 or some change, well, gotta make it back inside before the fucking day sells. Made it just in time to spit some rhyme with D and Big Kel. It's a big world, and I gotta explore it, but more importantly, ignore the ones who wanna destroy it. Can't even enjoy it, just losing joy. Right to the point where it's making me feel pity more than when I felt disappointment. Tragically, dramatically, losing way more than half of these problems that I had. I just solve them all mathematically. Tactics I'm fanatically conquering geographically. What happened? I just fastened my rap on the hold I had on these tiny little figures. I figure I'd become bigger, but could never have imagined the movement be running quicker. Leahy with the liquor or a grandpa with the clicker. It don't matter, the fact is we stay
remote, but still some winners. Serve you like your dinner, I've been master cassette. The one and only contender, please just remember the head. I'll leave them red like redemption, do not mention the next. I'm so perplexed by these MCs, sound like kids when they text.
I guess I got an act to power the jack. Like a rue, baby, saucing like a rat in the hat. I'm bad as whack, baby, missing off, exploring it fast. I'm a grand slam ham and I'm the best of my class. My life is just a show and surrounded by light track, and I never pass go. Benevolent man's my cat, I guess I never in control. Living the past like a flashback, and I wish that I could grow to 21 like a blackjack. I run, you're hidden, you're dead, I'm living. You're hated, I'm forgiven. I'm the one they're taking, message on the wall, it's written. You're the end of the song, but I'm the hook in the beginning. Got a minute, headed, hat swimming, dead among the living. But I'm living like a missile, not knowing where I'm at and tearing up. Or they giving to me weapons in the system, but man, it's just an ape and monkeys up to mimic. Yeah, when I stand, it should clap, ripping up every possible thing stuck in my path. Cause I'm fast like a text, you're slow, pretty fast. While you're a loose opinion, I'm a matter of fact.
And the fact of the matter is I got the code cracked.
I'm a codename Katie, #1 with no slash.
Too bad for your 3, 4, 5s and I blast.
Most of the ripping scripture was a man so sad.
Breezy, brazy with the beat. Moves you making years, we making weeks. Seeking out the secret recipe like I'm strong on the scene.
The impossible apostle next God, ride like the moss on my own tablet of rocks.